Hello, I'm Angela from Catholic Assist. I provide web design, development, and management to the Catholic community. You can see more at catholicassist.com and click on Contact to reach me. I would like to walk you through a Catholic ministry site from concept to completion. This comprehensive site utilized a common technology for building websites. I configured and customized as needed to create the elements desired by the client that were compatible with desktop and mobile devices. The client desired a clean look to the site so that the visitor would not be overwhelmed when visiting. As such, the client outlined three main areas that defined his ministry. The Grow section, where you learn how to identify and overcome obstacles to your spiritual growth. The Be Inspired section, where you find encouragement and inspiration to be an everyday disciple. And the Connect section, where you can join other Catholic disciples in a Facebook group. First up is the first thing the visitors see. In this case, it is an image of worship shrouded in the mystery that incense calls to mind. Next, an introductory video and invitation to take a spiritual health checkup quiz is given. Finally, there is an option to subscribe to the site. This first impression sets the scene and encourages visitors to explore the site. The video is hosted on YouTube. The spiritual health checkup quiz was built with a site extension. The subscribe was built with common mail marketing software. We will look at the quiz page first. This page is representative of a common look and feel across the site. The various types of quizzes, such as inheritance, the heart, vision, and more. These quizzes represent various areas of the spiritual health. Next, we will click on the quiz. We are taken to a page where you can start taking the quiz. Each quiz page consists of a common look. One can use the breadcrumbs to navigate back to the home page. Back on the home page, when the site visitors scroll down, they can see questions posed by the client to invite them to participate and outline the reasons why a visitor would want to use the site. As we scroll down further, we see the main areas of the site. Let's click on Grow. The client wanted to outline some guidelines for using this section. As we scroll down, we see the same icons and sections that we saw with a spiritual health checkup. Clicking on one of these sections, we are taken to a listing of blog articles for this category. This listing of blog articles was achieved with a site extension that allowed for listing by category and layout customization. Next, let's go back to the home page. There is another way to navigate the site by using the menu at the top. In this menu, under Resources, you can see a listing of all the Grow categories. This was done so that common visitors to the site can quickly go to the desired section. Let's go to Nutrition so you can see another page layout example and see the consistency across the pages. Once on the Nutrition page, you can see that this listing has several pages of posts. Clicking to the next page, we see 7 benefits of the Prayer of Thanksgiving. We can click on the Learn More to see the blog post. The author has included pictures, quotes, and text. We can scroll down to see related articles. Navigating back to the home page, let's click on Subscribe to Site. As you can see, the subscription possibilities are monthly newsletter or weekly blog posts, or both. The system makes sure that the emails received for sign-up are valid. Navigating back to the site, we can go to the bookstore. This currently lists what the authors have written. It provides a featured book and other author books that can be bought on Amazon. Now for some technical details. Care was especially taken to make sure the site looked good on both desktop and mobile phones. This site is standalone and hosted on a hosting service and is not part of a website building site. As such, it was necessary for me to configure and install the site myself and ensure security measures were taken, such as HTTPS, website firewall, and spam comment prevention. On a quarterly basis, I update the software to ensure compatibility with core software. I also monitor for suspicious activity on a daily basis. To develop this site, the client provided a document which outlined the mission, vision, desired audience, and elements of what the layout should be. We worked together on the color scheme and layout desired. Thank you for joining me today on this site walkthrough. To learn more of my services, go to CatholicAssist.com and click on Contact to reach me. May the peace of Christ be with you.